Good. How are you? All right. I'm taking videos. So I'll put you on video here. Yes. My camera didn't work, and then I realized I have a video camera in my laptop, so I thought I'll come take some pictures of the roosters with my video camera. Yeah.